discuss about state design pattern theory, principles, real life examples and real time examples. In the next video, we will try to cover state design pattern practical implementation using Java. So first, let us explain with this state design pattern using real life and real time examples. So let's consider an ATM machine. If suppose if you are if you are trying to withdraw some amount from ATM machine, what you need to do is you need to insert your card and then you need to enter your PIN and then you need to enter the amount that you need to withdraw, and then that machine will give back the required amount based on if all the criteria satisfies. Here we can consider two states. First state is card is not inserted into the into the ATM machine. Second state is card inserted into the ATM machine. Yeah, these are the two internal state. If you are in the first state, if you haven't inserted your card into the ATM machine, then you could see only the advertisement and the promo videos on ATM display screen. If you have inserted your card into ATM machine, then that ATM machine would ask you the PIN number. If you have entered your correct PIN number, then you could do these following tasks. Example, you could withdraw some amount, or you can check the balance, or you can do other stuff on that. So here these two situations are considered as an internal state: card not inserted and then card inserted. So these are the two states. Based on state, the behavior is completely changed. So for example, this is the example why the state design pattern falls under behavioral design pattern. So yeah, based on state, the behavior has been completely changed. So this is one of the real life examples, and then this is another real life example. If we are considering a human life, we are also falling under state design pattern. If this human is IT professional, so he always does some work, he always does some behavior based on time. So for example, on every day 8:30 he will travel to office. So this is one of the states. And then second state is 9:30. So at 9:30 a.m. he will try to have breakfast. And then another state is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is another state. So at that state he will try to work in office. So these are the three states where the human life or behavior is completely changing based on the internal state. At 8:30 was traveling to office, at 9:30 he is trying to have breakfast, at 10 to 1 p.m. he is trying to work. So these are the examples of state design pattern. We will try to cover these points with these examples. So first point is behavioral design pattern. State design pattern falls under behavioral design pattern. The reason behind that is based on state, the behavior is completely changing. So here card not inserted, so you can't do anything. You can just view the promo videos on ATM display machine. If you have inserted your card and then if you have given your correct PIN number, then you could do withdraw option, and you could use withdraw, check balance and other features also. So based on internal state, the behavior is completely changing, and then allows an object to alter its behavior when its internal state changes. So I have already discussed about this point while explaining this example. So this is about the state design pattern. So this is one of the important design patterns which falls under behavioral design pattern. We will try to cover a Java implementation for this state design pattern in the upcoming video. So please stay tuned. Thanks once again.